Hello dear friends, today we are here with another video to introduce you another great airdrop. Moonbix's great airdrop, which is officially introduced and released by Binance Exchange. If you haven't started yet, you can visit our Telegram channel. The link is in the descriptions. Let's get into it. Alright guys, open the bot. The airdrop is very simple. In the home tab, here it shows your points. In here, if you click on play button, a game will open for you. Alright, in this game you need to toss the clip. If you click on the screen, the clip will be tossed. So you need to cash the yellow circles in order to earn points. So you need to be aware of the stones. If you cash the stones, your points will be subtracted. Okay guys, let's go back to home page. Here you can see the invite option, so you can get your referral link and invite your friends. Next, in the leaderboard tab, you can see the top 100 players of this robot. In the task page, here are some simple tasks, so complete them to get extra points. Next, in friends page, you can see all your invited friends. Right now I don't have any invited friend, so it's empty. By inviting your friends, you'll get 10% of their earned points. In the last tab, there are some links for those who don't have a Binance account, so they can use these links to create a Binance account and verify their account. Alright guys, this is end of the video. I hope it finds you well, and if you have any question, you can ask it in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you, see you in the next video.